Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Kulwinder. So today in this video I will show you how to solve dynamic link library kernel32 error is causing by installing the Windows driver. Alright, so for this error we have to download the Windows patch and links are in the descriptions. This is from the Microsoft side, so I selected Windows 7 64-bit and just download. So once you download, just run that setup. Okay, so it will take few seconds for the installations. And after the installation it will ask you to restart the PC. So after restarting, so let's try again if we can install the drivers. So I just run the setup again, that Windows Intel HD graphic driver. So successfully I can run that driver and you can make it installations. I hope you have liked this video. Please subscribe, like and share.